going to tell you how you can get Discord Nitro in just 10 seconds. This is an official offer from Discord, hence not being a scam. Subscribe to this channel so that you can keep getting intros from my videos. The only problem with it is that it's only for a limited time. It started on September 24th and will end on December 15th of this year. Also, this promotion is not available in the following regions: Syria, Ukraine, Russia, Iran, and North Korea. If you receive an unknown gift code error during the claim redemption process, you are not eligible to redeem this promotion. Here are the requirements. Claim through YMod by December 15th, 2025, and redeem in your Discord account by January 15th, 2026. Here's how you can claim Nitro from your WeMod account. Download WeMod. I will give the link of this website in the description. After installing, look for the Discord Nitro reward call out in the chat sidebar, or visit the subscription rewards page in your YMod account. And boom, you will get your Discord Nitro. Remember to cancel your subscription if you don't want your credit card to be charged after 1 month. And yes, you need a credit card for this offer. If you don't have one, search on Google and create one.